Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Blossm Plant Care Guide app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Blossm is a comprehensive plant care guide app designed to assist both novice and experienced gardeners in nurturing their plants. The app provides detailed care instructions, watering schedules, fertilization tips, and pest diagnosis tailored to a wide variety of plants. Users can set reminders for watering and fertilizing, track plant growth, and receive personalized advice to ensure their plants stay healthy. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Blossm's intuitive interface and the practical, easy-to-follow guidance it offers. The app's reminder system helps users maintain consistent plant care routines, while the extensive plant database covers a broad range of species. The personalized tips and troubleshooting help many gardeners resolve common issues effectively. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users note that the free version limits access to certain advanced features and detailed guides, requiring a subscription for full use. Also, while the app covers many plants, some rare or exotic species may be missing. A few users mention occasional inaccuracies in diagnosis, suggesting manual verification. In summary, the Blossm app may be worth using if you want a helpful, user-friendly tool to simplify plant care, stay organized with reminders, and access tailored advice without needing expert knowledge. However, if you need exhaustive plant coverage or prefer fully free apps, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.